What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're at one of my favorite pizza spots called Pizza and More. I've gotten the butter chicken from here multiple times before and I really love it. And today we're going to showcase and display some of the artwork that they have, from the chicken wings to your different pizzas, many different varieties of meals, including your smoothies, your shake, anything that you want, you can get it there. So today we're going in, and we hope you guys keep it locked for that. So let's go. Pizza and More, this is where it's at. If you want to get your latest and your finest pizza, Indian style, Hawaiian style, it doesn't matter, you can also get it here. We're going to find out how he is actually able to make these pizzas and what passion he actually upholds when it comes on to serving the diversity in Brampton.
So we're gonna make a barbecue pizza, which is one of our most popular pizzas, and then it's summer, so that's the best time to have this pizza. It's a barbecue pizza out here. So we are stretching our dough. So the dough that we use, it's a 24 hours fermentation process. So we make our dough, we rest it well.
He put it in cornmeal, and that's what actually helps the pizza to give it the crunchy taste that you actually get from it after it's cooked. I like the fact that you get to see it here firsthand, up close and in person.
Whereas cornmeal absorbs the extra moisture from the dough that keeps your pizza nice and crispy. So we're gonna sauce it out with our secret sauce that's built in-house.
Is it homemade, or is it like a sauce that you created yourself?
Sauces are all homemade. It's my recipes out there, right? Everything from the Indian style to the continental style. Obviously barbecue sauce we buy from outside, but everything that goes on the base, it's an in-house made sauces. So that's our secret recipe in our pizza success. So adding cheese to the base, it kinds of make a barrier between the pizza and all the ingredients, so it doesn't make your pizza soggy.
I want to know, what is your secret ingredient? What do you put in your pizza?
What we use is, of course, love, but at the same time, it's consistency.
You cannot compromise quality, you cannot compromise the ingredients, and when you see how he's making this pizza, it is out of this world and it's to die for. So you guys want to make sure that you come to Pizza and More. Today we're going to be doing 2 pizzas with chicken wings, and you guys are going to follow me along this journey.
Everything is made in-house, right? The dough quality that we use the pizza flour grind compared to the regular all-purpose flour. I have been in the hospitality industry for almost 30 years, and when it comes to pizza, it's a melting pot. Tell me who doesn't like pizza? That's the reason why I started a pizzeria where, you know what, I can cater to all the demographics, be it an Indian, be a Canadian, be it from any other part of the world. Everyone loves pizza.
He has so much cooking experience under his belt. He used to be an executive chef.
One of the biggest operations that I worked was for the Emirates flight catering, and we used to do 90,000 meals a day. So it's almost 30 years of experience that brings into my passion and my love for pizzas. In this industry, you can survive with only one thing: passion. So what we are doing is we are building a Greek pizza up here. So again, base of any good pizza is dough, sauce, and your cheese, right? So we start with a red onion. We always use red onion compared to white onions because red onions are more flavorful, more juicier, they don't go dry. Tomatoes at this time of the year, they're absolutely beautiful, so we try to buy as much locally as possible.
The barbecue chicken gets the same topping, and the Greek pizza get the same topping. The only thing that is different about this one, he put olive and different toppings on it. This is mostly your ground spices that he puts on this pizza specifically, and then he's going to be putting cheese on top of it as well.
We have 2 different kinds of olives on this one. So because it's a Greek pizza and Greek olives, you can't get it any better than Greek. So we use 2 different kinds of olives on that one. usually we add feta cheese once it's baked, because the fat content in feta cheese is not as high as we have in mozzarella. So if I put the feta cheese now, it's gonna burn on me.
A barbecue pizza is completely finished. How do customers get in touch with you if they want to order pizza?
We are available on almost all the platforms. We are on Skip the Dish, we are on Uber Eats, we are on DoorDash. But we encourage people to come to our website pizzaandmore.ca. We got amazing deals on that one, but you can also find us on Uber, DoorDash and Skip the Dish.
How long does a pizza really take to look after?
This oven here is set at 5 minutes 30 seconds, so at the max 6 minutes, the pizza should be in and out. What we look off at the pizza is the oven temperature. That's a premium, because your pizza should have a nice crust to it, but at the same time it should not be dry. It should have the right level of moisture in that. So the quality of oven makes a huge lot of a difference.
The moment you look at that pizza, you're literally eating it with your eyes first before you physically taste it. Food brings a lot of cultures closer together, a lot of people closer together. What is the customer base like?
Being in downtown Brampton across the city hall, that gives us a very diversified clientele. For the lunch hours, it's mostly corporate and city staff that we attract. It's in and out. They want everything within 5 to 8 minutes. Since we are making a Greek pizza, so we use feta cheese towards the end. We have brushed it with a nice extra virgin olive oil. The secret is don't add your feta cheese too early, because it's gonna burn. You want to have that nice saltiness, crispiness from the feta cheese.
You can't miss out on this, guys. You have to make sure that you definitely give them a check out. They're also on social media. What is your address?
It's 6 George Street, South Brampton. It's a walking distance from the Grange Park and just a street behind the City Hall.
What I really love is the way how he situated the chicken wings inside of the box. Variety all over the place when it comes on to pizzas you can get here. Butter chicken pizzas. You can also get ice cream, and you also get shakes.
We're gonna prepare Oreo overload shake. It's one of our most popular shakes here. Before we start the shake, what we do is just to make it nice and attractive, then we sprinkle some Oreo cookie crumble. Start with some ice cubes. We add some milk to it. 2 scoops of cookies and cream ice cream. Oreo cookies to it, so it has a flavor of Oreo cookies.
He's maintaining the consistency of the shake by putting ice inside of it.
As you see, your shakes, they are very thick up here.
We're gonna straw inside of it, but we're gonna try it without a straw. The pizza is also the best part of all of this. It's the epitome of beauty when it comes on to flavor, feta cheese. I love a pizza with good olives on it, good taste. We haven't yet tried the wings. We're going to delve into that. Cooked straight through. You can taste all of the different combination of seasonings that they throw on top of it, and then they also sprinkle a little bit of oregano on it. You don't get any barbecue sauce on this. You get the toppings of feta cheese and oregano. It's full of flavor. And we're gonna place all of his information in the description box. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section.